How many times have you stayed silent because you were afraid of speaking English? How many opportunities have you missed simply because you lacked confidence? Just imagine you are introducing yourself confidently. You are speaking in English without hesitation. You are expressing your thoughts articulately. You are a completely articulate person. Yes, now it's your turn. Whether you are a complete beginner or you are someone who already knows the basics, you are going to enhance your English very quickly. Yes, only in 2 months. Yes, we don't have a lot of time, right? We have very limited time. I have set a goal only for 2 months. In this 2 months, you are going to improve your English. You are going to enhance your English. I'm going to launch two batches. Yes, beginner's batch and advanced batch. Beginner's batch is going to start on 7th September and it's a complete 2-month course. In this 2 month, we will learn English. We will start speaking English. Every class will focus on real life conversation. Yes, you are going to get a platform where you can practice, where you can speak in English. Yes, you will get co-learners who you can practice with. Yes, our goal is improving our English only in 2 months. See, in this course, you will develop your confidence, you will improve your vocabulary, you will learn a lot of phrases, idioms, and expressions. Using them, you will start speaking English impressively. And course fee is only 1000 rupees. Yes, by paying only 1000 rupees, you are going to get access to beginner's batch. And our advanced batch will start on 10th September. Yes, students who are struggling with a good, amazing interview, this course will be perfect for them. Students who are struggling to develop their confidence, this course will be perfect for them. And course fee for advanced batch is only 1200 rupees. So no need to waste more of your valuable time. Just enroll quickly and learn English in 2 months. Now let's get back to the video.